Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about Azure file storage. Under this we will see how to create a file storage and how to connect to a virtual machine or to your laptop. Before that, let's see some basic information about file storage. Azure file storage is a fully managed file share in the cloud. So you can connect with your on-premise and then you can share your data with on-premise and the cloud. You can connect this with multiple virtual machine and then you can share data among the machines. So in this way you can use it like a shared server. You can connect your file share with any of the operating system like Windows, Linux or Mac. You can even connect the same file storage with multiple virtual machine under a different operating system. This is one of the important design criteria. Storage tiers, there are 4 types of storage tiers basically. First one is premium. In premium, files will be saved in solid state drives and it provides high performance and low latency. In case if you want the latency in single digit, go for premium. And the next one is transactionally optimized. Here the files will be saved in hard disk drives, and other two types are hot and cold. Go for hot in case if you want to access the file frequently. You can use it for the scenarios like team share, and other one is cool. This is quite opposite of hot. You can prefer this in case if you are not going to access the file frequently. Example, archival purposes. So those areas we can use cool tiers, and cool tiers is the cheapest one. So while designing your file share, you should decide what kind of storage tiers you are going for, because this decides your pricing. Hope you already watched my video on storage account. If not, I request you to watch that now and click on storage account. So this is the storage account we created earlier. Just minimize this, and under storage explorer preview, just click on this. Here also you can create your file share, or just scroll down. Here you will have a file share separately. Just click on file share and provide a name for it. This is a case sensitive one, so let me provide in small letter. Provide a nice name for the file share, and then here you will have quota, meaning like how much GB you want to allocate to the file share. You can specify it here. I just set it to maximum. And then we have tiers, cool, hot, and then transactional optimize. So this also decides your pricing. So I'm going with cool since I'm not going to access it frequently. So just click on create. File share is created now, so click on this. Here you will find an option to create a directory, meaning like folder. You can create it from here. Just I'm going to specify as output, and then let's upload a file. Just click on this, just upload on file, upload. So the file is uploaded now. Now close this. Let's just click back. This is the file share we have created now. Now I will show how to connect this file share with our laptop or virtual machine. So now let me show what are the drive available in my laptop as of now. So see, these are the drive available in my laptop as of now. Now get back to the portal. Just let me show where and all you can connect this file share. So under storage explorer also you can connect this file share. Just click on this, so you will find what are the folder we have created as of now that will appear here. Just click on this and then connect VM from here, or in the same area where we have so far worked on, just click on this, and then here also you will find an option to connect. Click connect. Here you will find various options. So for each of the operating system you will have different scripts. For Mac, Linux, and then Windows. Since we are connecting with Windows, I'm just selecting this, and then you can specify the name you want to, letter you want to specify for your drive. Just I'm going to give it as X, and then here just copy the script, paste it in PowerShell. So that's simple. So press enter now. Just yeah, it is connected successfully. So now see, in my laptop you will find the network location here. So whatever file we have uploaded in Azure portal, that will appear here. Now let me show, we can even upload file from our local to check whether it is syncing up with the Azure portal. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here in the file share. Yeah, copied. Now get back to the portal, just select the file share and then our folder. If this is not available, I request you to refresh. It should be available right here also. And now let's see how to disconnect this. Just go to your PC, right click, and then you will find an option to disconnect. Just click on disconnect. That's it. So this is how you can connect the file share with your virtual machine or even laptop of multiple operating system. And that's it about file share. In next video we will see about Azure queues and then tables. Thank you for watching this video, and I request you to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.